Hi guys, my name's Nick Wilson. This is my IL project for MDS 315. Uh, my project question ended up being, how might I learn to live more environmentally friendly throughout my life? I chose this because it's always been an interest of mine, and I've always wanted to make myself environmentally friendly in some way and just do a little better. Also, my apologies for the way this looks. I wasn't really able to figure out how to get to look any better than this. All right. Let's see. All right. So as for my stakeholders, slide 2, I had myself, the people I live with, and the environment. I say myself because obviously this question involves me, a little more myself kind of than anyone else. The people I live with, because my roommates and my girlfriend will have to deal with what's going on and how I'm reacting to everything. And then obviously the third one would be the environment, because it's the environment. I'm trying to make sure I can do my best to save it. All right, moving on. All right, so as for our next slide, it's going to be the problem. My main problem is obviously climate change. I say this because it's affecting all of us and more than we know, and I feel like it's going to be a bigger issue in the upcoming years. The two questions I have from my original question would have been the either or statement. That being said, it would be my I become more aware of how I'm affecting the environment and adjust my everyday habits, or I completely go zero waste and reusable. That being said, I feel like my problem is relatively self-explanatory here. My everyday habits, I would have to either ease myself kind of into doing things or figure out how to adjust a certain time frame. And going completely reusable basically means I have to monitor my waste output and figure out how to reduce my carbon emissions and whatnot. Okay, goes up. Next is our solutions. The first one is our hidden gem. As for my hidden gem in all my solutions, I made two models, which was the ease into and the all in. Kind of self-explanatory, meaning the all in is the completely reusable, and the ease into is taking your time. But as for my first two gems for my ease into, I made it so ease into it didn't completely change my whole lifestyle, and the second gem from the all in model was it made the most difference in my opinion. Combining those two, I was able to. So combining those two, from the hidden gem, combining the models, I would get a solution that would take a bit of time, but still would do enough to make a difference. This would benefit the environment still, but still in the long run. This would also help me not make as big of mistakes, and it wouldn't really give the shock value. This also would allow me to choose what I want to change with the end goal of being environmentally friendly. All right, hold on. As for my next one is our double down. For the double down solution, by adding the portion of trying to make more of an effort into my model, I could take the fact that I could use a time frame into consideration, along with making sure all the costs aren't going to be expensive up from going into the new places. I would be helping the planet in the long run, but it wouldn't be as big of a change for me. I could go over a long period of time, throw away things as I use them, and replace them with reusable items. Additionally, I would go on every other shopping trip to eco-friendly stores to start getting more of a habit into getting into more environmentally conscious ways. As for the last one is decomposition. For that one, I still would have time. I still would have a time frame available to use, so it would force me to go along with the idea, and it would ultimately change the environment. This would this solution With this solution, I could get a set time of a year or 6 months, and it would give me enough time to brainstorm ideas and slowly implement the change into my life. During this time, I can make slow steps to eco-friendly lifestyle. I'm slowly making myself getting better and working with it. For the final solution, best one would be decomposition. I say this because both takes part in it takes a certain part it takes the certain parts you found. This would be the best because it allows me the time limit that I need of about 6 months. It affects me in the way of it lets me adjust to how I want. It lets my roommates figure out what they need to do and everything that needs to happen, and it lets the environment get what it needs. It all kind of goes along with what I talked about in the decomposition part. That also kind of goes into the reasoning for my solution. Anyway, thank you for your time. Sorry it's been a little long, and appreciate it. All right, bye.